Good morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. Students, myself, Vanita, once again here with you for your maths class. Already, I have explained so many sums of chapter lengths, and I think all of you have now the clear concept. Today, once again, I am going to explain the remaining portion of the chapter lengths. Conversion is completed. Now rest of the question is problem sums. So today we will start the problem sums. Be ready with your copy and pencil and start your work. My dear student, it is just unit 5. What problems are there? We will start first the example, then we will solve the rest of the question. Your first example is Sonu needs 5 meter 25 centimeter of blue ribbon and 2 meter 50 centimeter of red ribbon for her doll. What is the total length of ribbon needed? Here in the picture you are saying that blue ribbon edge length of blue ribbon is greater than red ribbon. So we will start the solution. Here you have to find the total length of the ribbon needed for the doll. So first you write the length of the blue ribbon here 5 meter 25 centimeter, and second the length of the red ribbon is here 2 meter 50 centimeter. So for the total length you have to add the both. So the answer after adding you are getting the answer 7 meter 75 centimeter. So in your answer column you have to write Sonu needs 7 meter 75 centimeter of ribbon. In this way you can do the rest of the sums which is based on it. Children, your next example is a roll of electric wire contains 75 meter 50 centimeter of wire. If 62 meter 75 centimeter of wire is used, how much wire is left on the rod? First you understand the question. Total length of the wire is given, and in this length of the wire we are using only 62 meter 75 centimeter of wire. So what is the length of the left wire on the rod? We have to find out. The solution is given here. We have to first to find out the left wire subtraction. From the method of subtraction, you can get the length of the left wire. So first you write total length of the wire is 75 centimeter, 75 meter 50 centimeter, and the length of the used wire is 62 meter 75 centimeter. So in this question, first in the centimeter column, you are saying that 50 is smaller than 75. We can't subtract 75 from 50. So we have to borrow from the meter. We are borrowing then 1 meter. It means it is equal to 100 centimeter. Now it has in centimeter column 100 centimeter and 50 centimeter is there. Means it is equal to 150 centimeter. Now you subtract 75 from 150 and you are getting here 75. Now the remaining of the wire in the meter is only 74 meter. Now you subtract 62 from the 74 and here you are getting 12 meter. So the remaining wire in the roll is 12 meter 75 centimeter. My dear students, already I have explained two examples. Now rest of the question which is given in the classwork is based on that example. I am going to explain the question, then answers of these questions are given in the next slide. Today, I'm giving you the answers with questions. Questions with answers. But to first try to understand it and then solve it. So your first question is, Neetu brought 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt and 2 meter 20 centimeter cloth for trouser. What is the total length of cloth she bought? It means it is here you have to find the total length of the cloth, means you have to add it and then you will get the answer. Next, Amit traveled 15 kilometer 550 meter by train and 12 kilometer 400 meter by bus and 1 kilometer 250 meter by scooter. How much distance did he travel in all? It means you have to find out the total distance traveled by Amit. So, right, you have to here add it, then you will get the total distance traveled by Amit. Third one, Mrs. Renu has a ribbon 16 meter 75 centimeter long. She cuts it into two pieces. One piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter. Find the length of the other piece. It means total length of the ribbon is given and now we are cutting this into two pieces. So one length of one piece is given. You can find out the length of other piece by the method of subtraction. Next one, the height or Ram and Shyam are 1 meter 75 centimeter and 1 meter 28 centimeter respectively. Who is taller and by how much? Here you are saying height of the Ram is 1 meter 75 centimeter and Shyam is 1 meter 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Obviously, Ram is taller than Shyam. And by how much you have to find out? So you subtract it, then you will get the answer. Next, last question. The ant climbed 9 meter 50 centimeter on a wall. Then it come down 4 meter 75 centimeter along the wall. How far is the ant from the starting point? Here you will subtract it and then you will get the answer. Now answers is given in the next slide also. Students, solution of all the previous exercise is given in the slide. First question was, Neeta went for shopping and bought cloth for shirt and trousers. Length of the shirt is given here 3 meter 75 centimeter and length of the cloth for trouser is 2 meter 20 centimeter. Now you have to find out the total length of the cloth. So for this you have to add this one and your final answer is 5 meter 95 centimeter. So here in answers column you have to write Neeta bought total 5 meter 95 centimeter length of cloth. Next question, Amit travel distance by train, by bus and scooter and their distance is written here. First one 15 kilometer, 550 meter, 12 kilometer, 400 meter and 1 kilometer, 200 kilometer by scooter. Now you find out the total distance. For this you have to add it. Here in meter you are getting 1200 meter, which is more than 1000. So 1000 unit you have to 1000 meter will be included in kilometer. So I have shown this with the help of this arrow. Now your final answer is here Amit travel total distance of 29 kilometer 200 meter. Dear student, question C is, Mrs. Renu bought the ribbon and she cuts it into two pieces. So, first length of first piece is 16 meter and 75 centimeter and length of total length of the ribbon is 16 meter 75 centimeter and length of one piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter. So, the length of the ribbon remaining is, here you have to subtract. You can't subtract 90 from 75. So we take the borrow from meter, that is equal to 100 centimeter. Now it is equal to 175 centimeter. Now you subtract 90 from 175 and here you will get 85 centimeter. Now the remaining meter is 15 meter and you subtract 8 from 15, that is 7. So length of the other ribbon is 7 meter 85 centimeter. Last question, height of ram is given here 1 meter 75 centimeter. Height of Syam is 1 meter 28 centimeter. Obviously Ram is taller than Syam. How much taller? You have to find out by the method of subtraction. So write here in the respective column 1 meter 75 centimeter and you subtract 1 meter 28 centimeter. That is, after subtraction you are getting here 47 centimeter. So in the answer column you have to write Ram is taller than Syam by 47 centimeter. Question A. Distance climbed by ant initially is 9 meter 50 centimeter and then it came down, that is 4 meter 75 meter. Now the distance from the starting point is, you have to subtract it. So 4 meter 75 centimeter will be subtracted from 9 meters 50 centimeter. You can't subtract 75 centimeter from 50 centimeter, so you have to borrow from meter, that is equal to 100 centimeter, and you are adding here and getting 150 centimeter. Now you subtract 75 centimeter, which is equal to 75 centimeter, and here from 4 meter will be subtracted from 8 meter and you are getting here 4 meter. So in answers column you have to write the ant is 4 meter 75 centimeter away from the initial point. Students, this one is the slide of extra question. For your practice, you have to practice more and more for the perfection. So question I have given and answer is also in the next slide. So do it and then cross check it. First question is, you have to write the unit to measure the following. Distance between Agra and Patna, length of a rupee note. Already you know about it and you have to do yourself. Next question, find the sum. Process of this question earlier have been discussed, so you do it in your copy and then send the answers. Children, here the answers of the extra question is given and you cross check it from your work done. First question, distance between Agra and Patna, already I have discussed, it will be measured by kilometer. Length of a rupee note, that will be measured in centimeter. Length of your notebook, centimeter. Unit will be used. Height of a building, meter. Width of a table, meter. And length of playground is meter. Next, the find the sum. Process have been discussed, you do yourself. This one is the answer given here. Students, one thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to follow the regrouping process wherever is needed. All of you, skip it. Without doing the regrouping process, I am not going to check your work. That sums is wrong. So please follow the regrouping process. So many question is based on the basis of regrouping process. Answer is given here. Cross check it and then send me to the answer. Now students, it's the time of homework. I'm sending some homework to you. Slide is here. You will follow this. Already process had been discussed. With the help of that process, try to complete your homework. Okay? Have a nice day.